Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection, but you cannot find the Call of Duty Mobile in a Google Play Store for Samsung Galaxy S23. So right here, if we try to find the game in the search, there's no actual game that we can download. We'll need to go back and fix this by pressing on the profile icon, move to the settings and enter family. Right here you should find parental controls, where you can either disable them entirely or enter apps and games. And here increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back, look for the game again, and it's right here and you can install it. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.